Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a sky gradient for backgrounds. Today we will make a neutral sky blue gradient. Open a blank document with a light blue base. Select the gradient tool and open gradient editor. Add multiple strokes, light blue, white and soft cane. Set the style to linear with angle 90°. Drag from the top to bottom for a vertical transition and add a subtle purple tint at the top for realism. Adjust midpoints until it feels smooth and airy. Duplicate the gradient layer for extra brightness. Now add a soft light blending mode for glow. Your sky looks clear and peaceful.